Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at your home and your studies is also going on well. Okay student, today we will discuss here the subtraction and we have already done the subtraction worksheets 1 and 2 here. Today we will do here the worksheet 3. Okay students, now there is the question number 1 here. There is the question number 1. In question number 1, there is asking that you are subtracting this number from this number and you have these places in this number. Students, you have done all the subtraction numbers when you have numbers in that places. But in this exercise, if you have zeros in the number at ones, tens, hundreds, thousands like this, if you have number of zeros in the numbers and you will subtract any number which have no zeros, how can you solve this problem? Suppose you have 100 rupees note, okay students, and your mama says that you have to buy some items for you, that is pen, pencil box or books, notebooks, covers, like that things. You have to buy from 100 rupees. So students, what will you do? Then you go to the shopkeeper and then you will demand that things, and shopkeeper gives you, and he count the money for that things, and he counted as, suppose you have 56 rupees you have to cost them. Okay, you have 100 rupees, you have 100 rupees here, and its cost, the things cost is 56 rupees. So students, you are seeing there that you have how much money is left with you. Now, after giving him the money 56, how can you calculate? There are the zeros, then how do you subtract here? You will subtract here that you have 98 rupees and you have given the 56 rupees, and what money is left with you? You can calculate easily, because 8 minus 6, so is there 9 minus 4, that is 4. It means you have now the 42 rupees. But there is asking that there are the 100 rupees and you don't know about the numbers, how to calculate from number of zeros number and from subtracting here the any non-zero number. So students, we will solve these questions, type of these questions in this session. So what will we do here? So students, let's see here. There is the ones place, there is the tens place, there is the hundreds place. After subtracting 0, we will subtract 6 from 0. No, it can't possible. So what will we do? Yes, if you need something and you don't have in your home, then what will you do? Yes, you will go to the neighbor. Yes, same thing doing like this. You will go to your neighbor and you are saying that you please give me this thing if you have. Yes, but it is also don't have. So now you will go to your next neighbor. You will go to your next neighbor and that have the one thing here that you want. Yes, it means you have to borrow one number. You want the one number here. This is a 0, but you want to take the one number here. If you have one number, one from these numbers, then you can easily solve this question. Yes. It means you have borrow 1. If you have borrow 1 from this neighbor, this neighbor doesn't have this one. Yes, then it will have the number 0. It will have nothing. Nothing means it is a 0 number. And next number, this hundreds, this tens, borrow 1 from hundreds place. So it will become as 10 here. Okay students. Now, but it needs something. it means it have the 9 things now. If you have borrowed 1 from 1's place, from 10's place. Yes, you have 1 from the 10's place. This is the 10 tens, 10 ones. And now we have subtracted here 10 minus 6, that is 4. 9 minus 5, that is 4. And there is the number 0. You can subtract easily like this. Okay students, now we will go to the question here. There is a question that there is one place, and at one place there we have to subtract 1 from 0, but it can't possible. So what will we do? We will go to the neighbor and yes, we can borrow from that neighbor one number, but we go to the neighbor that it says that I have no number. So what can we do? Now we again go to the next neighbor. This is also known to have. Now this neighbor goes to this neighbor. Yes, he have one number and he will give you the number. And he can give this number. So you have now one number as 10 here. And it have the number 2 here. It can borrow one number, so it will give you the one number, that is 10 here. It will become as 10 if this will gives you the number 1, and it will become as the if this have 3 and 1 is given to you, then after that it will have only 2 numbers, so this will become as 2 here. Now this is 10 minus 9, but there is also 0. We can subtract, so we can borrow from this number. So this number becomes as 9, and one number is borrow from there, and one number borrow 1 tens. 10 tens are there. It becomes as 10 tens. But it needs one number, so it can borrow 1 10 from ones. This is, if you can borrow from this one number, it becomes as 9, and this will have the 10 after borrowing one number from its neighbor. Yes, now we will subtract it. 10 minus 1, that is 9 here. 9 minus 8, that is 1 here. 9 minus 9, that is 0 here. And there is the number 2 here. Okay students, this will get you the answer here, 2019. Now students, we will go to the next question. I hope you have understand this question. This question you do yourself again one more time. This question also you do again one more time before doing these questions. And these questions you do yourself first and then check this answer here. Okay students, now we go to the next question. There is a ones place here, and in ones place there are the 0 ones and 2 ones are there. But we can't subtract 2 from 0 ones. Then what will we do here? Yes, we will have borrowed from the neighbor places. But it also doesn't have. This will come to the neighbor this. And it will borrow one number from this. And after borrowing one number from this number becomes as 1. And this number becomes as, this contains the 1000 from this number, it becomes as the 10 hundreds. Okay students, now it will become the 10 hundreds. But it wants one number. So it wants one number, it becomes as 9 after borrowing one number from this number, and this has given to this number, that is tens. He has given to the tens one number, and now tens given one number to the ones number. So it will given him the one number. After given him, it have only 9. It have 10. Okay students. Now we will subtract in here. Easy. So students, 10 minus 8, that is 9. 8 here. Now we will subtract the tens place. 9 minus one, that is 8 here. Hundreds place, 9 hundreds minus 8 hundreds, that are 1 hundreds. And now we are taking the subtraction from thousands. There is the other 1000 and 1000 here. If we are subtracting 1 from 1000, there we will have the number digit as 0. Okay students, you will do this question as like this. Now we will go to the question number 3. There is also the same problem. There are the zeros here and we have to subtract non-zero number here. What can we do? Same, doing like these methods. Same doing like this method. 0, 6, subtracting from 0, it can't possible. So we will borrow from the number 1000 from this number. And there is, if we will borrow from this number, that it will become as 7 and 1000 borrowing 2 and it will given to the hundreds. 1000 is given to 100, it will become as 10 hundreds. And now 10 hundreds given tens to one number. So it will become as 9 and this will become as 10 number. Is it clear students? Now again this will give him the one number. Now it will become as 10 but it will become as 9 here. Now 10 minus 6 is 4 there. 8 minus 3 that is 5 there. 9 minus 6 that is 3 there. And 7 minus 3 that is 4 here. Okay students? Yes. Do these questions yourself. You will get, if you will revise these questions, then you can understand easily these questions, these type of problems you have done. Okay students, now we will do here the worksheet 4. Okay students, do this revision. Now students, we will do here the worksheet 4. And in worksheet 4, there is the question number 1. In worksheet 4, we will do here, there are given here some numbers here. And there is given as a subtraction here in every question. Okay students, now we have to do in these questions arrange in columns first. First we will arrange the numbers in the columns and then subtract it and then subtract and also check your answer. And then you will check your answer, is it right or not. Is it clear students? Now we will go to the first question. How will we do these questions? Let's see there. First write it this number 6, 2, 5, 3. Okay students, now we will subtract this number 2, 6, 7, 8. Now what will we get here? Let's see there. 3 minus 8, not possible. We will carry from tens place. Tens place, 1 carry, there will be the 4 and there will be the 13. 13 ones are there. 13 minus 8, that is 5 here. Okay students, now it will become as 4 minus 7, not possible. Then what will we do here? We will carry from this will carry, it becomes as 1 and we will carry here the 100s. So this is 14 hundreds there. Now it will become as 14 hundreds. Now 14 minus 7, that must be equals to 7 here and 1 minus 6, not possible. So we will carry from the next place, that is 5 here and it will be the 11 here. 11 minus 6, that is 5 here, 5 minus 2, that is 3 here. This will become as this number. Now students, for checking this number, this will arrange in columns first. Arrange in columns. Now we will take the difference here. Difference, subtract has been done. Now we will check your answer. This answer is correct or not. For this answer, we will take there that this answer as write it at place and this will be subtracted from this. If this will be added to this, 3, 5, 7, 5, and there we will write it as 2, 6, 7, 8. Is it becomes as well this number? Let's check there. This will be added here and this will be subtracted here. 8 plus 5, 13. 1 is carrying. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 is carrying here. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12 here. 2. 1 carrying here. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6 there. This will be the number here. Okay, students. Now we will go to the next question. Same question. Arrange in columns first and then take difference, subtract and then check the answer. And for checking the answer, we will add both these numbers. If answer is becoming as this number, it will check it here. Okay, students. Now let's see there. There is the number 6000, 3, 4, 8, 5. This is the number here. This is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place is there. Now we will subtract here. What will we do here? Subtract. So what can we do here? 6000 minus this number. There is possible? No. So we carry this number to from thousands place. So from thousands place, 1000 is carrying to hundreds place. Hundreds place. This will become as 10 and this will become as 5 because we have borrowed one number from this number. So this will become 10. 10 minus 4 easily we can calculate, but this number needs one number. So if one number 100 is borrowed to 10, that is 10 tens, and it will become as 9 here. Okay, students. Now we will go to the next step. We will borrow from this one number that it will become as 9 and it will become as 10 here. Now what will we do here? We will subtract easily. 10 minus 5, 5 here. 9 minus 8, 1 here. 9 minus 4, 5 here. 5 minus 3, that is 2 here. 2515 number is this. Okay, students. Now we will do here the next question. In next question, there is asking that this number is subtracted from this number. So first we will arrange in columns here. This is 4003 here, and this is 1, 8, 4, 6, and we will subtract this number first. This is 1, 10, hundreds, thousand. Is it clear, students? Now we will take the subtraction here. Okay, students. So let's start this question. Sorry, we have to check also here. So for checking, adding these two numbers, this will become here 2, 5, 1, 5. Check. And 3, 4, 8, 5. It will become as 5 plus 5, 10. 1 is carrying there. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 8, 10. 1 is carrying there. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 4, 10. 1 is carrying there. 3 plus 3, 6. It will become as 6000 and 6000. It means it checked there. Now we will start here the subtraction here. 3 minus 6. Not possible. What will we do? Take carry. 1 borrow from this number. 1 borrow from this number? No. Then 1 borrow from the thousands number. Then 1000 is common from this number. If 1000 is common, then it will become as 3000. And it have borrowed, so this number becomes as 10. 10 hundreds. 1000 is borrowed from this number, it will become as 1000 is equals to 10 hundreds. It means this will get here the 10 hundreds as well. Now it will become as 10, but it will need one number. So this number is becoming as 9 here, and this is the 10. 10 hundreds. 100 is taken as borrowing number, and this will become as 10 tens. Now it will take a one number from this. So this number becoming as 9, and this number becomes as 2. Is it clear, students? Now what will we do here? Subtracting these numbers. 12 minus 6, that is 6 here, and this is 9 minus 4, that is 5 here, 9 minus 8, that is 1 here, 3 minus 1, that is 2 here. Now we have to check this answer. Is it correct or not? To check this answer, adding these two numbers. There is check. There is 2156, 2156, and there is 1846. We will add these two numbers. 6 plus 6, 12, 2, 1 carrying to the tens place, 1 plus 5, 6, plus 4, 10, 1 is carrying there, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10, 1 carrying there, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. This is 4002, and this is 4003. It means something wrong there. Sorry, this is as not 2, this is 13. Yes, this is 13 as well. 13 minus 6, that is 7. Yes, you can correct your answer. Okay, where you will wrong there, you will check from your answer. There is the wrong answer because you have something wrong here. And now we will correct here, and then again doing this answer. There is 7 here. 7 plus 6, that is 13 here, and 1 carrying same number. We have done this question. Okay, students, I hope you will get this method easily, and you will solve all the problems. Remaining questions you will do yourself. Question number 2 and question number 3 you will do yourself. Okay. Now we will do here the last question here. 8,900, that is thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. We will subtract this number. 8,900 and 4,765. We will subtract this number and taken its answer difference there. This we are subtracting here. So students, what will we get here? Let's see there. There will be the difference here. So we will take here the difference. 0 minus 5 not possible. Then we will carry from this. No, we will carry from this number. Yes. We will take 100 from this number. It will become as 100 is equal to 10 tens. It will become as 10, and this will become as 8 number. Okay, students. Now, but we have need this number to take a one number here. So it will borrow from this number, and one number is borrowing after this will become as 9, and this will become as 10 here. Clear, students? Now we are subtracting here. That this will become as 10. 10 minus 5, that is 5 here. 9 minus 6, that is 3 here. 8 minus 7, that is 1 here. 8 minus 4, that is 4 here. Okay, students, have you done? Now we will check your answer. How do we check? How will you do check your answer? There, let's see there. There we will write these two numbers, that is, now check, 4,765 and 4,135. 4,135. We will 8. This is 8900, 8900. It will become same. Both the numbers will become the same. If both the numbers will become the same, then it means it's checked here. Okay, students. Now we will do here the worksheet 5, and which have the some properties of subtraction here. Let's see there worksheet 5. Yes, students, there is the worksheet 5. Students, you know what is your property? Yes, property means positive points in yourself. Positive points in yourself. Yes, you will intelligent. You are intelligent here. Yes, and so many properties are there. Your speaking is Now students, we are seeing here that these are the questions here, and these questions based on the properties here. Let's see there. Let's see there, students. There is the subtraction property. One property is there. As you have so many properties, subtraction also have a property. There is a property that if you subtract 0, from any number, if you subtract 0 from any number, we will get here the number here. This number becomes your answer. Is it clear, students? If you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the number, this number here. Is it clear, students? Now, it means if we subtract 5, let's see there, there is the number 5 here, and we have given you that there is the subtraction here, the 5 here. This is the difference here. What will we subtract here? What will we put there? What number we will put there to become itself? Yes, we can answer this question because there is the number 0 which is subtracting for any number. We will get the number itself. It means there we will put here the number 0 here. 5 minus 0 is equals to 5. So, this is our property of subtraction. Difference of a number and 0. Difference of a number and 0. Difference of a number and 0 is the number itself. Number itself. This will be itself here. Is it clear, students? If the difference between the two numbers, that is 5 and 0, it will be the number itself always. Now, we will do the questions here based on this property. Okay, students, let's see there. This is the question number 1 here. We have to show here, we have to do here 63 minus 0. What will we get here? Yes, 63 minus 0. 0 is subtracted. Difference between the number and 0 is the number itself. It means we have to put this number 63 as well. That is, this number is 63. Now, this number is 888. 888. The difference between any number and what number is itself the number. This number is same here. It means what will we subtract from this number? Yes, you can easily answer. Difference between the number and the 0 is the number itself. Now we will do here the third question. Same question is there. Number is itself there. 1982. 1982. But we will have to put there the number whose difference is always equals to that number. Yes. What will we put there? Can you answer? Yes. You can answer from this property that difference between the number and 0 is the number itself. Yes. Now question number 4 is there that we have to ask a question here that there is a 0, there is a number. If we subtract 0 from any number, this will become the number itself. It means this number must be there, so that it becomes equals to 783. So the 783 number is there. Now we will do here this question that 1200 minus 0. 0 is subtracted from any number. Difference between number and 0 is the number itself. It means this will become as well 1200. Now we have next question. This 0 subtracted. Difference between the number and the 0 is the number itself. It means this number will become as well. This is 960 is there. Is it clear, students? Hope so. You have understood this property very well. Now we will do here the worksheet 6, that is the word problems. Word problems based on subtraction topic. Let's see there. Now students, there is the worksheet 6 and in worksheet 6 there are some word problems. Now students, we are solving here the word problems related to subtraction topic. Let's see there. There is the first question. In first question, there is asking that Rahul had 2,359 stamps. Out of this, 1,985 are Indian stamps and the rest are the foreign stamps. How many foreign stamps did he have? How many foreign stamps did he have? There are total stamps. These are the total stamps there. But in total stamps, there are some Indian stamps and there are some foreign stamps. And there is given that there are some Indian stamps. These are the Indian stamps. This number of the Indian stamps. But we have to find here how many are there the foreign stamps. So this will be remaining after to calculate the remaining amount. We have done here the subtraction. Okay, we will do here subtraction. Let's see here. 9 minus 5. There is total number of stamps are there. Number of Indian stamps and we have to find the number of foreign stamps. So let's see there. 9 minus 5. 4. 5 minus 8. Not possible. There is the 15 here. 15 minus 8. That is 7 here. And we have subtracted that 12 here. 12 minus 9, that is 3 here, 1 minus 1, that is 0 here. Is it clear, students? You have done all the questions related to subtraction. It is very easy. This step is very easy for you. But there is needs that there is the to understand this language of the question, there must be the need here. Okay, students? So try to read the question 2 times, 3 times until you can understand this question. If you understand, then will you solve this question easily, very easy in step. Now next question is question number 2. In question number 2, a poultry farm had hens. If 2,917 hens were sold out, then how many hens were left in the poultry farm? We have to calculate here the how many hens were left in the poultry farm. So students, there are total hens are there in the poultry farm, that are these 4,721. Number of hens sold. Some wholes are sold out, but some remaining, there are some left here the hens. Now we have to calculate the number of hens sold, and we have to calculate here the hens were left. Number of hens left. How many hens were left there? Some had hens sold out. So we will take the difference here. So this can answer 11 minus 7, that is 4 here, and this will become as 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0 here, and 7 minus 1 not possible, this is 17, that is there is 3, 3 minus 2, 1 is there. 1804 hens left out, and here are stems, foreign stems. Now go to the next question. There is the next question that Mrs. Renu wanted to buy a mobile for rupees 8,755, but she had only the rupees 2,990 with her. How much more money does she need? Yes, you can answer this question easily if you understand this language. Mrs. Renu wants to buy a mobile and its cost is 8,755, but she had only the money 2,990 rupees. So how much money she needs more that she can buy this mobile? Mobile's cost is 8,000 something, and she have only about 3,000 rupees. Then how much money does she need there? That is, cost of mobile is equals to this, and she had money this amount, but she needs more money. How much more money does she need there? That is 5. 15 minus 5, 6, and there is 6, 16, 7, there is 7, 7 minus 2, that is 5. You will do yourself this question. Okay, students? Now, there is the next question. In a hall, there are 2,855 seats. On a particular day, 2,096 people attended a meeting. How many seats were vacant in the hall? There was a meeting. Okay. In the meeting, some seats are there. Let's suppose that you have the third class room. In that room, there are the 25, 30 seats are there. And in 30 seats, there must be 2 people at the one seat. So there is the 60 seats are there. So for 60 seats, there are only attended the 20 seats. 20 people attended the meeting. It means 20 seats are filled there. But how many seats are vacant there? Total 60 seats. 20 attended the meeting. So 20 seats are filled there. But how many are vacant there? Like this, we will solve this question. There is a meeting, and in the hall there are total number of seats are there, that is 2,855 seats. And on a particular day there was a meeting, and some people attended the meeting, that are 2,096 people attended the meeting. Now how many seats were vacant seats? For vacant seats, remaining seats, we have to calculate the difference here. 15 minus 6, that is 9 here, and there is, we have carried from this, so there is 14 here, we have carried from this is 7, 14 minus 9, that is 5 here, 7 minus 0, that is 0 here, 2 minus 2, that is 0 here, so 759 seats. Is it clear, students? These are the vacant seats. Okay, students, now you will do as homework worksheet 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, students, you will do in 2 days worksheet 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, students, it's not a burdenable homework. Okay, students, have a nice day. Bye, students.